Hello guys, this is Tuija. Today I'm going to show you how to use Cryptotab browser. When you push my affiliate link, this site pops up. Then you download. If you use Android, then you push get it on in Google Play. You can also have a Cryptotab Pro if you want. There is available also iOS. When you was downloaded, it's supposed to be look like this. Then you push the little C in the corner. Cryptotab dashboard. Downloading. This is the cloud Bitcoin mining site. Activate 300 HRS. Activate. Slide to verify. Done. And now it starts rolling. And it's rolling about 2 hours. And then you need to activate again. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other new videos, and also give us a big thumbs up. Thank you.